So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have three internship opportunity for data analyst. Since most of you are fresher and struggling to get a job in the field of data analytics, so these internship opportunity will add up value in your resume and will give you hands-on experience. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So the first opportunity is from Tech Knowledge Hub org. So they are hiring data analyst intern. The duration of this internship is 3 months and the stipend that you will get is 15,000 per month, which is quite good as a fresher. And the most important and happily thing is that it is a remote internship, so no need to worry about the location and all those things. So moving on to JD job description. So as a data analyst intern at techknowledgehub.org, you will have the opportunity to gain hands-on experience in the data analysis, interpretations and reporting. This internship is designed for freshers who are eager to kickstart their career in the field of data analytics. So the initial few months will be unpaid and providing a valuable learning experience, and successful interns may be considered for a permanent role as well. So one more key point over here. During your internship you will not get paid, but after successfully completion of the internship, if they think they could hire you for the permanent role. Now coming to the key responsibilities. So collaborate with the data team to collect, analyze and interpret data sets. Assist in developing and maintaining data dashboards and reports. You will be contributing to identification of trends, patterns, insight from data. Support in the preparations of data visualization for presentation. So in short, basically you will be dealing with the day-to-day data where you have to create a dashboard, visualize the data using various KPIs, trend, pattern. Now coming to the qualification. So if you are pursuing or recently graduated with a degree in data science, statistics, computer science or any other related field, you can apply for this role. So I would say those candidates who have technical degree, they can apply for this role. You must have strong analytical and problem solving skills. You must have proficiency in data analysis tool and programming languages like Python, R or SQL. So for those who don't know about data analysis tools, so these are Power BI, Tableau. For database management we have MySQL, Azure SQL DB. You must have proficiency in Excel, Power Automation, etc. And you must have excellent communication skills. So it required a lot of research and analysis to bring such video in front of you people. So make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. So this internship is on Naukri.com platform. I have mentioned the link in the description. Now coming to our next internship opportunity. So it is coming from the Exotic Mile. So it is also a 3-month duration internship. The stipend will be 15,000 per month and the location is going to be Gurugram. So opening is one and it is a recently added job opportunity, so I encourage you to apply for it. Now coming to job description. So here you have to utilize automation techniques with Google Sheet to collect, clean and organize data from the various sources and ensuring data quality and integrity. Here you have to develop and implement automated data analysis process to perform exploratory data analysis, identify trends, patterns, relationship and generate actionable insights. You have to create automated data visualization dashboards and reports using Google Sheet add-on or scripting languages such as Google Apps. You have to assist in developing and maintaining automated statistical analysis. You have to contribute ongoing projects and initiatives aimed to improve data automation process and workflows. You have to deal with the stakeholders and teams, so collaborate with the cross-functional team to understand the business requirement and provide automated analytical support. So Exotic Mile is basically a electronic component and semiconductor industries, so you will get a good exposure over there. Now coming to the education qualification or eligibility. So if you have done your graduation or post graduation, you can apply here. So BSc, BCA and BTech in any specialization you can apply here. And if you have done MCA and MSc in any specialization, you can also eligible for it. So for more such updates, subscribe the channel.